Now let me tell you about the politics, the big politics that has erupted over this issue. Just minutes after we broke the news here on India Today that income tax raids were taking place at Taapsee Pannu and Anurag Kashyap's homes, the politics exploded. The allegations that this is Badla level Rajniti in Bollywood, with the Shiv Sena, with the Congress, with activists and lawyers all breaking their silence and attacking the BJP government of the centre, saying this is vendetta of the lowest form. They've hit out saying that, like the Enforcement Directorate and the CBI, the income tax department is also being used like a puppet by the government. The Shiv Sena has slammed the central agency, saying that the income tax department needs to be saved from bondage slavery very soon.
ये तो हद हो गई। जिसका भी बारे में इनकम टैक्स या जांच एजेंसियां को जानकारी मिलती है क्रेडिबल, उसी का जांच एजेंसी जांच करती है और बाद में कोर्ट में ही मसला जाता है। ऐसा थोड़ा ही है।
ये तो सवाल उठाएंगे जब हमारे सुरक्षा बल आतंकवादियों का सफाया करेंगे, तब भी सबूत तो सवाल पूछते हैं। ये जब जो है वो हमारे देश के सम्मान, देश के स्वाभिमान की रक्षा होती है, तब भी जो है इनको लगता है कि इस पे भी जो है वो कुछ खोट है। तो इसलिए जो एजेंसियां हैं उनको स्वतंत्र ढंग से अपने काम करने देना चाहिए। इस तरह के बेवकूफ़ियों के सवाल से कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है।
निश्चित रूप से जो लोग सरकार के खिलाफ भूमिका लेते हैं, सरकार की नीतियों के खिलाफ आवाज़ उठाते हैं, कहीं ना कहीं उनके खिलाफ ईडी हो, सीबीआई हो, इनकम टैक्स हो, इसका इस्तेमाल होता है। पिछले कई दिनों से अनुराग कश्यप हो, तापसी हो, कहीं ना कहीं मोदी सरकार की नीतियों पे खुलकर कटाक्ष वो लोग कर रहे थे, आवाज़ उठा रहे थे। उन्हें दबाने के लिए इस तरह की कार्रवाई की गई है।
आपका कहना है जो भी कंगना के विरुद्ध में बोलेगा उसके ऊपर गुना दाखिल हो रहा है, यही है ना, या उसको पनिशमेंट दी जा रही है?
आईटी की रेट चल
ये तो सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट, यहाँ पे डेमोक्रेसी तो बची ही नहीं है। सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट जिस अरेरावी से कामकाज कर रही है, वो तो देखो संविधान रखते हैं या नहीं रखते हैं ये 8-5 साल।
तो आपको लग रहा है कि पॉलिटिकली पूरी तरह से रेड हो रही है, जो कर की चोरी का मामला बताकर?
अब ऐसा है, जो उनके बाजू में बोलेगा वो भगवान, जो नहीं बोलेगा वो देशद्रोही, ये है।
लोकतंत्र में इस तरह का व्यवहार ये कभी भी नहीं हुआ जो आज मोदी सरकार देश में कर रही है। फिर किसानों के आंदोलन की भूमिका हो तो राष्ट्रध्वज लगाएंगे, और उनकी सरकार की सच्चाई अगर जनता के सामने रखने की बात जो भी करेगा तो उसके ऊपर कार्रवाई करने का जो अभियान मोदी सरकार ने शुरू की है, उसका कांग्रेस जोर से विरोध करती है।
Ram Kadam of the BJP, Shama Mohammed of the Congress party are with me. In a moment, we'll also have Priyanka Chaturvedi of the Shiv Sena. Shama, I want to come to you first because you were one of the first to react on this breaking story when India Today had put it out. You're saying that this is 100% vendetta. The BJP says this is due process. If there are, any suspicions of any kind of tax evasion, the agencies have to get a chance to do their work. But you've already decided, Shama, that this is Badla politics.
See, it's very clear, Shiv, because it's so obvious out there. This government is like a stuck tape recorder. They keep saying that, you know what, there is an issue, we are going to investigate. I mean, it's very easy. But let me ask them a couple of questions. Now, when we have these issues about the NCB probe, for example, they went against Deepika Padukone's manager, all right? They called Deepika Padukone. Why? Because Deepika Padukone was giving support to the JNU students when ABVP Komal Sharma rampaged JNU. Till now, Komal Sharma has not been arrested by the Delhi police. She's still out there. That's one thing. Number two, now there is a lady called Pamela Goswami in Calcutta under arrest. Why has the NCB not gone out there? And she was having nearly 100 grams of not cannabis or marijuana. She had heroin.
Cocaine.
So, I think cocaine, sorry, cocaine. Now, this is something very, very, very strong allegations against us, not allegations. They arrested her with it. So, I'm asking, NCB is not even gone there. But NCB was quite there, ready to pick up Deepika Padukone questioner for hours. Number two, they were bringing out WhatsApp messages of Deepika Padukone of 4 years back.
Okay.
Now we have Mr. Arnab Goswami's WhatsApp message saying very clearly that there is going to be attack in 3 days. He says.
So you're saying, Shama, you're saying this is selectivity. You're saying this is. Okay, let's get a response on that. Let's take this one by one. Let's take this one by one so we can get as much in as possible.
Why are the NCBs? Why are the government of India behaving
we'll get into the specifics in a moment. We'll get into the specifics in a moment. Ram Kadam, ये allegation ये है कि income tax rate जो हो रहा है अभी on तापसी पन्नू and अनुराग कश्यप के रेजिडेंस पे जो इनकम टैक्स रेट्स हुए हैं, ये सेलेक्टिव चीज है, ये बदला के लिए है, ये पनिशमेंट है क्योंकि ये बीजेपी के सरकार के खिलाफ बोलते हैं ज्यादातर सोशल मीडिया पर, और इसलिए ये हो रहा है. ये कुछ ड्यू प्रोसेस नहीं है इसमें.
Firstly, let me tell you,
yes,
opposition cries political vendetta on every action of central agencies. Then should these central agencies stop functioning? There are India's agencies, not Pakistanis. Some of the states blocked CBI functioning, like Maharashtra and Bengal. In those states, CBI officers don't have any work because of the rigid nature of the states. Firstly, IT raids are black and white, backed by the proofs of documents. Some fraudulent misdealings have been seen, then naturally action is expected. सवाल ये उठता है कि जब इनकी सरकारें कोई जांच करती है तो पूरी तरह से पारदर्शी है, सेंट्रल एजेंसी जांच करती है और बिल्कुल पॉलिटिकल वेंडेटा है. यानी ये ड्यूबियस नेचर है, डबल स्टैंडर्ड है. ये सवाल ये है, आईटी रेड कभी भी होमवर्क किए बगैर नहीं होती. इट इज ऑलवेज बैक्ड बाय द प्रूफ ऑफ डॉक्यूमेंट्स. इट इज ऑलवेज बैक्ड बाय द प्रूफ ऑफ डॉक्यूमेंट्स.
ओके,
कभी भी होमवर्क किए बगैर आईटी रेड नहीं होती.
No, so
क्या चाहती है कांग्रेस?
I want to speak specifically on this in just a moment.
Opposition is expecting that if somebody is doing fraudulent misdealings, तो क्या उसका समर्थन करोगे आप?
I want to just separate the strands here. Shama, I want to separate the strands here. There are two things.
They want to politicize each and every.
Okay, there are two things to discuss here. Ram Kadam and Shama Mohammed, there are two things to discuss here, and my question to Shama is, the two strands are, one is the allegation of selectivity. You are going after these people, but what about so and so and so, Komal Sharma and Pamela Goswami and others? The other is, Shama, with your tweet, and this is, I'm not asking a loaded question, I'm genuinely asking, by saying that this is a settling of scores, have you just jumped to conclusions? What if there is really a case here? The Income Tax Department ultimately, are you saying there is no possibility that there is any tax evasion by Phantom Films in this case? Because that appears to be the conclusion you've drawn.
But let's look at this. You go to DK Shivakumar, you raid him. You don't raid a Narayan Rane. The minute Eknath Khadse leaves the party, you raid Eknath Khadse. I mean, it's so quite obvious.
But you're not saying that this is a wrong raid.
Demonetization time had 100 crores. They received more than 110 crores during the demo time. They are left loose. No investigations on them.
No, so but Shama, there's a specific question
Why
there.
don't you raid all of them who commit? We are asking them to raid each and everybody from this country, including leaders from their own political party. Why don't they do that? It's only the opposition members or somebody who speaks against the government. Tapsi's been critical of the government for a very long time. Anurag Kashyap, somebody's been critical of the government for a very long time. But nobody who stands for the government, for example, Kangana Ranaut called Mumbai POK. The BJPs are nationalists, they say. But they didn't say a word against her. She called her Annadata farmers terrorists. Not a single BJP spokesperson spoke anything against her or did anything. Now there is a guy called Siddiq Kappan. He went to investigate Hafiz. He has UAP against him. So anybody who does what they do not want or they are against, there will be some form. It can be an income tax rate, it can be a UAPA, it can be an arrest.
Ram Kadam, Shama's response to that is, selectivity is central to this.
Right now,
the Congress is saying selectivity is central to this issue because whether or not Phantom Films has evaded tax or not, the cleanliness of the raid comes into question because of the manner in which the government has in the past selectively deployed these agencies. That is the contention here.
See, allow me to answer her questions. First of all, when Amitabh Bachchan Akshay Kumar, Bharat Ratna Lata Mangeshkar, Sachin Tendulkar, they tweeted in a fear of our country. Congress annoyed. Oppositions blame them. Even Maharashtra government conducted inquiry against them.
You're not answering the
ये
question
चाहती
he
क्या
has
है
asked
कांग्रेस
you.
और
Why don't
विपक्ष
you
के
ask
नेता?
that, Mr. Kadam?
This is
You're
no
not
wait.
answering
No,
about Arnab Goswami.
see,
Shama,
don't interrupt my time. Don't please
Shama, let him
interrupt my
finish.
time. I have not.
Shama, let Ram answer. You can rebut him after he finishes. You can rebut him after he finishes. Shama, just 1 second. Let him finish.
Selectivity like this.
Shama, let him finish. You'll get time to rebut. You'll get time to rebut. Yeah.
When
She had cocaine with her.
when
You'll get time to
You don't
rebut.
have an
Yes.
answer for that. Why is WhatsApp messages of Mr. Arnab
Shama,
Goswami not
Shama,
open?
Shama, let Ram Kadam finish his point, then you can rebut him.
keep some patience. Keep some patience.
Yeah, finish your point.
Because he's
keep
not
some
answering,
patience.
Shiv. He doesn't
When
You can
answer.
ask
you
your
are
question
answering,
again, man.
I
I
did
can't
not
guide the
into your
answers.
time.
Unfortunately, I
Keep
can't
some
guide the answers.
patience. Keep some patience.
I can only ask the question.
My
Yes.
simple question is, ask her to keep some patience. My simple question is, how this opposition can have double standard? अमिताभ के प्रति एक न्याय और उसी समय अनुराग के प्रति एक न्याय।
उसमें
जो
क्या
देश
गलती
के
की
संग
हमने?
खड़ा
बस
होता
हमने
है
बस पूछा
उसको ये
था।
लोग बिल्कुल
हमने कोई
विलन के
NCC
रूप
को
में
भी
देखते हैं।
रोका नहीं।
और जो
आप क्या बोल रहे हो?
फ्रॉडुलेंट मिसडील एक आप इस तरह से आप सुन तो लीजिए, सुनने का साहस रखें आप। सिंपल सी बात है, इनकम टैक्स की रेड होमवर्क के बगैर नहीं होती, कागजात के बगैर नहीं होती, अध्ययन के बगैर नहीं। अध्ययन आप इस बात को मानती हो कि होम आईटी की रेड कभी भी होमवर्क के बगैर नहीं होती। फ्रॉडुलेंट मिसडीलिंग्स हैव बीन सीन, सो देन एक्शन इज एक्सपेक्टेड। आप उसका समर्थन नहीं कर सकती। जो एक्शन है, एक मिनट, अभी आप बीच में आप बीच में बोल रहे हो, हर एक के ऊपर होगा कानून।
उसके खिलाफ जो केसेस था,
I think you don't want to listen.
Shama, you've asked your question. Let him answer you. Let him answer you.
Will you? सवाल ऐसा है कि वो सवाल भी पूछ रही है और जवाब भी नहीं सुन रही है। सिंपल सी बात है, आईटी की रेड कभी भी होमवर्क के बगैर नहीं होती। Always it is black and white,
okay,
backed by the proof of documents. और जब misdealing, fraudulent वहां पे have been seen, तो क्या अपेक्षा करती हो आप? एक्शन तो होगी। अब उस एक्शन ली गई तो आप उन सेलिब्रिटी के समर्थन में खड़े हो गए। और जो लता मंगेशकर जैसी सेलिब्रिटी है, जो देश के हित में खड़ी होती है, आप उनको विलन के स्वरूप में देखते हो। ये तुम्हारा डबल स्टैंडर्ड है। आप क्या चाहती हो? हमारी सेंट्रल एजेंसीज काम करना बंद कर दे? क्या चाहती हो आप?
Priyanka Chaturvedi of the Shiv Sena is also with us. I'm going to bring her in.
Do you want to stop functioning?
Okay. Shama, you want to quickly answer that, and then I'm going to bring your ally in Maharashtra, Priyanka, in.
No, I want to ask him, आप समर्थन जो आपको समर्थन देते हैं, जो भी है, जो एक फिल्म स्टार होते हैं, कोई भी है, आप उनको रेड नहीं करते हैं। जो नेता भी है, आप जब खड़से साहब आपके पार्टी से चला गया तो फिर उसके ऊपर रेड हो गया है। तो इसी वजह से हम पूछ रहे हैं ना, आपके कोई भी पार्टी में, कोई भी पक्ष में किसी के ऊपर रेड नहीं है। बस जो आपके खिलाफ बोलते हैं उनके ऊपर रेड होते हैं, उनको आप जेल डालते हो, उनके ऊपर यूएसपी है, कोमल शर्मा बाहर है।
You're making the same point once again. I just want.
This is your perception. This is not fact.
Okay.
This is your perception. This is your perception. Lata Mangeshkar or Sachin Tendulkar, they have not tweeted in favor of BJP. One minute. Lata Mangeshkar and Sachin Tendulkar, they have not tweeted in favor of BJP. They have tweeted in favor of the country. Please try to understand this.
Okay.
Whatever opposition is trying to cry political vendetta, that is not true. That is not true. That is of opposition's perception, which is completely double standard.
Okay. I just want okay. Now the ball has been slammed between both sides a few times on this one point. Both sides say this is selectivity or double standards. I want to bring up a quick bit of breaking news that the IT raids have happened and Taapsee Pannu and Anurag Kashyap have also been personally questioned or grilled by the Income Tax Department. That's the latest information that we're getting in from our reporters. Welcoming onto the discussion, Priyanka Chaturvedi, who is a member of parliament in the Shiv Sena. Welcome, Priyanka. Wanted to get you in a little earlier, but thanks for being with us nonetheless. You've heard a bit of this conversation already. The principal point that even you have made is that this is rampant selectivity. This is weaponization of the agencies. The BJP says these are agencies doing their job. Stop politicizing everything. Stop defending everything under the garb of selectivity. Ultimately, if something wrong has been done, let the agencies do their job. Why are you jumping to conclusions? Priyanka.
No, Shiv, just a couple of things. There is a particular pattern that has come into this system ever since 2014. The same CBI, which was called a case parrot earlier, is now being used to settle scores with their political opponents. There could be businessmen who speak up. They're asked to shut up by sending IT teams across to them. We've seen that with activists. We've seen that with journalists. Journalists are taken off air for months because they chose to speak up against the government. So these are things that have been happening repeatedly, and there's a clear pattern to it. But nobody is jumping to the conclusion. But the prima facie feeling that anyone gets is here are two people who have been speaking against this government, not against India, against this government. And every time someone speaks up against them, they use these weapons to silence them. This Mr. Kadam, I was listening to him very keenly, where he continued to bring in Mrs. Lata Mangeshkar, Miss Lata Mangeshkar, Amitabh Bachchan, etc., etc. I just want to ask this man, he is the one who called Kangana Ranaut Rani Lakshmibai. He is the one who was standing with someone who called farmers terrorists. She is the one who compared Mumbai to POK. She is also the one who has been speaking very badly in very bad language about the chief minister, elected chief minister of the state. Yet we did not see Mr. Ram Kadam do anything. What they have done is
controversial statement. No. Allow me to answer. We have never supported Kangana.
Let her finish. I'll give you time.
Went behind bars not because of his journalism. He went behind bars because his name was in a suicide note and he was a part of that abetment to suicide case. And that is why he went to jail, and he was the first man, Mr. Kadam, who's now defending this strongly.
Okay.
He's the first man who stood out in support of him. So these kind of selective, selective attacks coming on people who oppose them is something which is extremely unfortunate. Again, I would want to ask you, Sushant Singh Rajput's suicide got them to criticize Mumbai police every day, every night, every day. These
Priyanka, let's take it one issue at a time. If you permit me, one issue at a time. Let's get Ram Kadam
CBI investigation.
Since you've raised,
you brought an ED, you brought IT, you brought an everything.
Let's not spread ourselves too thin. Priyanka, one issue at a time. I'll give you time to raise that also. I'm just saying, Priyanka has talked about. Priyanka Chaturvedi has raised the issue of Kangana Ranaut, who has said many things, which are perceived to be very offensive. No action has been taken against her. Ram Kadam, Priyanka Chaturvedi asking you a direct question that this is hypocrisy and that there is a pattern against friendly celebrities and no action against those who are otherwise enemies of the BJPs in people's eyes. And she's taken the example of Kangana, who you have praised.
To the certain extent, no. She said hypocrisy. This is the hypocrisy of Maharashtra government and the Congress party. I'll explain how. See, we have never supported Kangana's controversial statement. When Kangana said that she will reveal the name of drug mafias for that particular contest, we supported her. Where were we wrong? यहाँ पर शिवसेना की प्रवक्ता देश के लोगों का ध्यान भटका रही है. हमने कभी भी we have never ever supported her controversial statement.
Finish your point.
Very clearly.
This is my time.
You cannot say, support this part of what
specifically,
I cannot support that part of what you're saying. What you all have effectively done. You said about drug agencies, drug mafia, etc. I want to know, what has NCB done? What has NCB discovered? 9 grams of cocaine, 9 grams of weed. I want to understand from him what
Let's keep it on this topic for a moment.
Now I want to know what has CBI concluded? What has CBI concluded from that suicide case, which became a political driving point for the Bharatiya Janata Party in Maharashtra? What has CBI concluded? Is it any different from what Mumbai police was doing? But yet every single day you all were criticizing Mumbai police, you all were abusing the government. This has become a standard pattern, and this is a pattern which we will question. And every opposition leader, it becomes the responsibility of every opposition member to question the government as to what led to these raids. When you bring in a CBI, what conclusion does it lead to? What has the ED notices achieved when you all send out ED notices to your political opponents? You all did the same with
multiple questions being asked. Ram Kadam, yes, please answer.
What did you get from the Supreme Court? What did Supreme Court tell you?
Okay, without interruptions, let him answer you. Let him answer you. If you disagree, you can rebut after that. Yes, Ram Kadam, answer point by point on those.
Sure.
See, Shiv Sena leader here completely misleading to the country. First of all, we have never supported Kangana's controversial statements, whether it is POK related or whether it is Mumbai related. We have never supported. This is the first part. When I said Jhansi Ki Rani in the context of, when she said that she, no, wait. Now this is my turn. Let him finish. When she said firstly that she will reveal the all drug mafia industry, all drug mafia people's name. 1 minute. No, this is my turn. Wait. This is my turn. Wait. जब उसने कहा ड्रग माफियों के नाम बताऊंगी, तब तक उसने पीओके नहीं कहा था, तब तक उसने मुंबई के बारे में नहीं बोला था, तब तक उसने मुंबई के पुलिस के बारे में नहीं कहा था। तो जब उसने कहा शौर्य दिखाया, मैं ड्रग माफिया का नाम दूंगी, उसके बाद 15 दिन तक तुम्हारी शिवसेना और महाराष्ट्र की सरकार चुप क्यों थी? टू हुम दे आर ट्राइंग टू प्रोटेक्ट? क्या भी बात का जवाब दोगी? और उसके पश्चात उसने पीओके का कहा, उसके पश्चात
every celebrity is being pulled out of the
हमने खंडन किया, जिस बात की हमने
एजेंसी को आपने महाराष्ट्र में नहीं भेजा,
we have not supported that her controversial statement.
Why plus security उनको मिली? उन्होंने किसानों को टेररिस्ट बताया, उन्होंने हमारे चीफ मिनिस्टर के बारे में अभद्र भाषा का इस्तेमाल किया, उन्होंने मुंबई की तुलना पीओके से की।
Kangana versus Taapsee now, it looks like.
अरे आपने उसका घर दिन दहाड़े तोड़ दिया, आपने उसका घर दिन दहाड़े तोड़ दिया, आपको हाई कोर्ट से फटकार मिली, दिन दहाड़े उसका घर तोड़ दिया। That was not political vendetta. 1 minute. Your government has demolished her house. Your government has demolished her house. Was it not political vendetta?
It's a consistent pattern of how agencies are being misused. CBI was a case parrot till 2014, and now it has become something which is a bonded slavery that we see is happening under the garb of using these agencies. Whether it's the income tax department, whether it is various other departments that are being used to use.
My question also is to end this debate, just to bring this debate to a complete close.
When Maharashtra government demolish Kangana's house, that is justified. That is not political vendetta.
It was criticized by the court also.
It can be a double standard.
Constructions will be demolished. Illegal constructions
it was criticized by the court. That's also a fact, Priyanka.
Without any favor. As simple as that.
Okay.
You have a problem, you can go protest.
As far as selectivity is concerned, as far as weaponization of agencies and municipal bodies is concerned,
you did that with a news editor.
And what about Sonu Sood?
There are examples.
No. What about Sonu Sood? Your government has sent him a notice. What about Sonu Sood?
You will continue to use them.
I want to say this with all the power at my command, that when it comes to selectivity, weaponization of agencies, there are examples of all parties and all governments using them. This time the BJP is in power. They've come under attack for the enforcement directorate in the CBI. The Maharashtra government has been under attack over what has happened with Kangana, etc. This is going to continue. I personally don't think, just to bring this to a close, it's not going to be possible. It's not going to be possible. I think questions need to be asked. I simply don't think that it's going to be possible for due process to happen without politics.
And what we are asked to do.
Even if an agency's action is merely due process, I don't think it's going to be allowed to happen without the politics. That's just the nature of the game. That's how it's become right now. I'm not criticizing it. I'm saying that because of the perceived pattern, because of these motivations, that's the way it's going to be. There's always going to be a political eruption over so-called due process of agencies. Thanks very much, Priyanka, Shama and Ram Kadam, for joining me here on The Story.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.